Okay, today we're talking about repairing a leaky drinking fountain. So here's a drinking fountain in question that leaks at the bubbler. It's an Elkay. First thing we're going to do is shut the power off. Then we'll reach underneath there and shut off the water valve. Be careful, there's lots of sharp edges. Don't cut your hand. It can be a bit hard to get up in there. Then I'll push the button to relieve any water pressure. So now we'll go ahead and remove the tinware. There's just a few hex screws and Phillips head screws that hold it on. Then you pull off this front cover. You can see that's the valve cartridge we need to change. This one has the green spring. You'll also need the special spanner wrench that fits in those little holes. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to remove this clip and pull out this long skinny rod that you see here. And so I can remove this front panel to access that valve cartridge we need to change. It simply lifts off. Now you have access. Use your spanner wrench in those two little holes, like so. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Unscrew that threaded nut, and that'll give you access to the cartridge here. Here's a new part and the part number for this unit. You want to use the model and serial number to order the correct cartridge for your unit. You can usually find the model and serial number underneath the drinking fountain on a data plate. So we're going to pull out the old cartridge. See, it's broken there. Remember to pull out the rubber seal that usually sits up inside the valve body in the very back of the valve body. Carefully use a pick tool to pick it out. Don't forget. There we go. And the new cartridge comes with that new rubber gasket as well. So line up the holes in the back of the cartridge you see here with the holes in the back of the valve body so it seats properly. Again, with the new gasket installed already. Then carefully thread the brass nut back on. Careful not to cross thread it. Once you get it hand tight, then gently snug it up a little bit with your spanner wrench. You get the idea. That little flathead slot you see here is a way you can adjust the flow out of the bubbler if you need to, if it's too weak or too strong. Now we'll go ahead and turn the water back on and check for leaks and proper operation. Remember to plug it back in. Works good, no leaks. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing. Helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more people with their facilities, maintenance, and repair tasks. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.